morning, once again from Sydney. It feels like, what, the 6th or 7th time in the last couple of months that I've been here. But this time it's for something a bit more exciting. Well, everything else is exciting. But this one is pretty exciting because me and my brother are heading to China on a trip-a-deal trip, which should be pretty epic. I think they're going for, I think it's between 8 and 10 days. And we're flying off to Shanghai first, and then we got straight onto a connection to Beijing, leaving at 11 AM this morning. It's currently, what time is it? Like, I think it's about quarter to 7. We got up at about 5:15, and yeah, we got the flight at 11, and we should arrive in Shanghai at about, I think it's about 7:15 PM. So yeah, I think it's a 10-hour flight, which should be pretty cool. Good to experience different airline and heading to a completely different country. But yeah, I'll take you along for the journey. Hopefully between 8 and 10 vlogs coming your way very soon.
There you go, sir. Thank you. Hello. Thank you for waiting.
So good.
There you go, sir.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You.
Hello.
Okay, made it onto the plane. A bit delayed, 2 hours. So just spent, what was it, 3 and a bit hours just waiting in the terminal. Pretty much was one of the first people on the plane, which is pretty good. Means we could get our seats and all that. And yeah, now for a 10 and a half hour flight off to Shanghai, and then we'll see if we make it to Beijing tonight. If not, stop in Shanghai and then fly to Beijing tomorrow morning. Malaysian Airlines.
Would be cool staying in the bridges, wouldn't it?
Is that? So Connor was in there.
That would be cool staying in the bridges.
Yeah.
Just that.
the flight. We've got about 2 hours left, and yeah, it's been pretty good so far. Watched a few movies, and we got both lunch and dinner. Now we're just flying over Philippines, and then we're going to find our way. I don't know which way we're going to head to China, if it's underneath Taiwan or if it's around, like if it's around Taiwan via Hong Kong side, or if it's around Taiwan via Japanese side. But yeah, almost there. Got a bit over 2 hours to go. Literally saying the runway is like corrugations.
Where you left it off?
Video. What? In your video. So do I. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
5627.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hey. Okay, made it to Shanghai, and it's been a bit of an experience. Flight was delayed by what, 2 hours then? Yeah. 2 and a bit hours, as I said before. So we arrived late and then had to walk, kept getting later and later because for some reason we did 2 loops around one of the first 2 circles around one of the cities, and then got to the airport and we had to walk for a bit, fill out the customs declaration or whatever it is, and then go through customs, I'm assuming. And yeah, I got stopped, saying got to go straight through. They did secondary screening or whatever on me, like in terms of my passport and the visa. And then because we were so late, we'd basically the only people in the airport, and we've had to get our flight got changed for tomorrow. So tomorrow at 9 o'clock we've got a flight to Beijing, and luckily we've got a hotel for the night. Not that it's going to be a long night because it's already 11 o'clock local time, which is like 1 AM Australian time. So yeah, overall it's been a long day and just can't wait to just relax for a bit. But yeah, feels good to be in the country, which is great, and definitely looking forward to the trip. Hopefully it goes smooth. It can only go smoother from here. But yeah, I'll probably see you at the hotel.